Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together to a comprehensive guide on selecting the perfect product to sell on Amazon FBA. This phase is pivotal as your chosen product will form the foundation of your entire business and brand. Making a hasty decision can lead to significant losses, both financially and in terms of time. So, let's dive right into it. The first thing to realize is that your initial product choice is critical. It is not about randomly launching any product and hoping for success. Instead, we will guide you through a step-by-step process to evaluate a product's potential. Before we jump into researching products, it is vital to establish criteria. As beginners, it is advisable to follow specific guidelines for product opportunities. Here are the 9 key criteria you should apply to every product idea. Demand. Ensure there is a demand for your product with a minimum monthly revenue target of $6,000. Competition. Look for products with competition that has fewer than 1,000 reviews and multiple competing brands. Selling price. Aim for a selling price between $20 and $70 or up to $150 based on your budget. Simplicity. Select products that are simple, not too heavy, not too large, and with few variants. Private label potential. Opt for products where branding can significantly increase perceived value. Brand potential. Choose products that allow you to build a long-term brand with related products. Improvement potential. Identify products with room for improvement based on customer reviews. Legality and liability. Check for patents, trademarks, dangerous goods, and Amazon restrictions. Profit margin. Ensure a minimum profit margin of 25% after considering all fees and expenses. Now, let's dive into each of these criteria individually. Demand. Make sure people are actively searching for your product. Tools like Jungle Scout can help estimate demand by analyzing revenue figures of existing products. Competition. Steer clear of products with overly competitive markets. Look for products with fewer than 1,000 reviews and multiple competing brands. Selling price. Price your product between $20 and $70 or up to $150 depending on your budget to ensure profitability after considering fees and expenses. Simplicity. Opt for simple, durable products that won't break easily during shipping or use. Private label potential. Choose products that can be enhanced through branding, increasing their perceived value. Brand potential. Assess whether your chosen product can be the first step in creating a broader product line and a long-lasting brand. Improvement potential. Identify common customer complaints and look for opportunities to improve the product compared to existing offers. Legality and liability. Verify that your product doesn't infringe on patents, trademarks, or pose legal issues. Ensure it doesn't fall under Amazon's restricted categories. Profit margin. Calculate your profit margin by deducting all expenses and fees from your selling price. Maintain a minimum profit margin of 25%. Armed with these criteria, you can now embark on product research. Look for products on Amazon that meet these criteria and compile a list of potential ideas. For each idea, calculate the potential profit margin by factoring in all expenses. This concludes our in-depth guide on choosing the right product to sell on Amazon FBA. Remember that your product choice is the cornerstone of your Amazon business. So, take time and make informed decisions. Stay tuned for our next steps where we will explore how to use the best product research tool effectively and use the tools to assess product opportunities. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.